Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this banana, blueberry and lemon cake. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to make your cake. So grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in the butter and sugar, then beat together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This takes between 5 and 7 minutes for me, but it may take more or less time depending on the kind of climate that you're in. If you're somewhere warmer, it will take less time. That's generally what I found. Then add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful to not add them too quickly as you may scramble the mix. As you've added your eggs in, you will notice a consistency change, and this is completely normal. You can also go ahead and add in your vanilla extract. I forgot to show it. Then give your bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in your lemon zest. This is the zest of one larger lemon, and I don't know why, but it looks like so much more than that. And your bananas, I'm using some overripe ones, but then just mix all that in until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and add in your flour, followed by the salt and baking powder, and your blueberries, which are frozen and coated in flour, and mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to medium-high speed. And once you have a clear cake batter, you can then stop mixing and give the bowl just one final scraping down, and this will just help to incorporate the bits of flour that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then divide between two 6-inch cake tins and bake it off. I will leave all the information you need in the blog post. I do recommend weighing it using a scale, but feel free to eyeball it if you'd like. When it comes to that, once you've got it measured into the tin, I like to spread and level it out, as this will just help with the consistency when baking a little later on. So I've shown you how to make my buttercreams before, so I'll leave a recipe to that in the description, but I'll also put it on the blog post. Grab yourself a plate, board or stand, and pipe a bit of buttercream onto it, then put your first layer of cake on. I didn't level my cake, and I didn't realise how wonky it was until watching this back. Pipe rosettes or blobs around the edge, fill that with some more buttercream. Feel free to add a curd or a jam if you'd like as well. Place your second layer of cake on top, and pipe the same as you did in the centre on top, but this time do it all the way through on top. And then you can leave it like that if you wanted, but I also like to just add some freeze-dried blueberries and bananas. I had some in the cupboard that I wanted to use up and wasn't going to use in a smoothie, so I thought, why not use them for this decoration? Very quick, very easy, and does add flavour and texture, so it works really well. So yeah, that's how I make this blueberry, banana and lemon cake. It's really simple. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.